You wanna make a snowman?
She wants one that will become alive, like Olaf.
Not like Olaf. It's gonna be a different. So it can come alive to our house and knock at the door, and we're not gonna let him in
What?
because he's gonna snow the house. I see clothes on the floor.
Leave it, it's okay.
Mila, let me see you go jump.
Okay.
Like a bunny.
Whoa, whoa.
Snow angel.
Go, now you can go the other way. Here we go, buddy.
Keep going.
I can't get up. My back.
Look at your angels.
Little angel over there, next to Mimi.
Where's your wings over there?
Right here. Baba, Baba, Baba. Baba, Baba.
I'm stuck, Mari.
Huh?
I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Mila, I'm stuck. Help.
What?
I'm stuck.
What?
I'm stuck. Can't get out. That's not helping. Now we need big help. Mari, can you help? Give me a hand.
Like I made.
Should I make a snowman, Mama?
Ah, my hand.
Snowman. I want to come alive.
Like Olaf?
It's going.
Here. It's okay. I'll make it with Baba and Mom.
You wanna make a snowman?
It's too fluffy.
What?
What do you want to make?
She says
You want to make a snowman?
she wants one that will become alive, like Olaf.
Not like Olaf. It's gonna be a different. So it can come alive to our house and knock at the door, and we're not gonna let him in
What?
because he's gonna snow the house.
Well, are you going to clean, aren't you?
No, I'm not cleaning. I'm not gonna let him in. Remember what I said?
So you're going to make a snowman and leave him homeless.
No. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's a big one.
Whoa. Baba, why are you making a long? I'm gonna.
What are you doing? What are we doing?
I'm making snow things.
Baba.
Ah! Go get her. Go get her on the track.
I'm getting a big one. I'm through.
That was horrible.
I don't care. I'll find even.
I think Mari's left over there.
Frozen?
No,
Mama!
she's Anna.
I'm out. I can freeze.
Hit her, hit her, hit her. What happened?
I don't care.
You... I think you're done.
I think you're gonna so
Nothing.
tired you need a nap.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Run.
Don't care. Don't get me. I'll get you.
Maddie!
Ow.
I could
Throw
just
this
walk.
one at her.
Maddie!
Throw it at her.
Ah,
Let's
it
throw
broke.
it at Mama.
Oh, Mama.
Throw this one at Mama. This one at Mama. Throw this one at Mama. Throw. It's okay. I'll get it.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? It's okay, it's okay. I got it. Wait, Maddie, wait.
I know.